Hello everyone. Today we will discuss biology for the BSc Nursing Entrance Exam MCQs. So let's get started. Which of the following is a membrane bound organelle found in eukaryotes but not in prokaryotes? Correct answer is B. Mitochondria. Eukaryotic cells have mitochondria, which are double membrane organelles involved in energy production. Next question. The SI unit of electric current is. Correct answer is D. Ampere. Electric current is measured in amperes, which represent the flow of 1 coulomb of charge per second. Next question. Which type of solid is characterized by strong directional covalent bonds? Correct answer is C. Covalent network solid. Covalent solids like diamond have atoms connected by strong covalent bonds in a continuous network. Next question. Which of the following is a disaccharide? Correct answer is C. Maltose. Maltose is formed by two glucose molecules joined by a glycosidic bond. Next question. Which organism is a prokaryote? Correct answer is B. E. coli. E. coli is a common bacterium and a prokaryote lacking a true nucleus. Next question. The resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to. Correct answer is D. Both B and C. Resistance increases with the length and temperature of the conductor and decreases with cross-sectional area. Next question. In which of the following solids are the constituent particles held together by van der Waals force? Correct answer is B. Molecular solids. Molecular solids like iodine are held together by weak van der Waals forces and are generally soft with low melting point. Next question. Which of the following amino acids is essential? Correct answer is C. Valine. Essential amino acids like valine cannot be synthesized by the body and must be obtained through diet. Next question. What is the function of the nucleus in a eukaryotic cell? Correct answer is C. Ribosome synthesis. The nucleus is a dense region in the nucleus responsible for making ribosomal RNA and assembling ribosomes. Next question. The device used to measure electric current is. Correct answer is B. Ammeter. An ammeter is connected in series in a circuit to measure the flow of current. Next question. Which of the following has a crystalline structure? Correct answer is C. Quartz. Quartz is a crystalline solid with a regular arrangement of its constituent particles. Next question. Which carbohydrate is found in milk? Correct answer is C. Lactose. Lactose is a disaccharide composed of glucose and galactose and is the main sugar in milk. Next question. The cell membrane in prokaryotes mainly performs the function of. Correct answer is B. Energy production. In prokaryotes, processes like respiration occur at the cell membrane due to absence of mitochondria. Next question. What is the value of current if 10C of charge flows through a wire in 2 seconds? Correct answer is B. 5A. Current equal charge per time equal 10C per 2S equal 5A. Next question. An example of an amorphous solid is. Correct answer is D. Glass. Amorphous solids like glass lack a regular internal structure and do not have sharp melting points. Next question. Which vitamin is also known as ascorbic acid? Correct answer is C. Vitamin C. Ascorbic acid is the chemical name for vitamin C, which is essential for collagen synthesis. Next question. Which of the following cells has no true nucleus? Correct answer is C. Bacteria. Bacteria are prokaryotic and have a nucleoid region instead of a membrane bound nucleus. Next question. Which law defines the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance? Correct answer is C. Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that V equal IR relating voltage, current, and resistance. Next question. Which of the following solids is a good conductor of electricity? Correct answer is C. Graphite. Graphite is an exception among non-metals. It conducts electricity due to delocalized electrons. Next question. Which of the following is not a lipid? Correct answer is C. Starch. Starch is a polysaccharide carbohydrate, not a lipid. Next question. Plasmids are. Correct answer is C. Circular DNA. Plasmids are small circular DNA molecules found in prokaryotes, often carrying antibiotic resistance genes. Next question. Which of the following is a polymer of glucose? Correct answer is B. Cellulose. Cellulose is a polysaccharide made of long chains of glucose unit found in plant cell walls. Next question. Who proposed the fluid mosaic model of cell membrane? Correct answer is B. Singer and Nicholson. The fluid mosaic model by Singer and Nicholson describes the cell membrane as a flexible layer with proteins embedded. Next question. Which structure is absent in prokaryotic cells? Correct answer is C. Endoplasmic reticulum. Prokaryotics lack membrane-bound organelles like the ER which are present in eukaryotes. Next question. What is the unit of electric charge? Correct answer is D. Coulomb. Charge is measured in coulombs. 1 coulomb equal charge transported by 1 ampere in 1 second. Next question. Which of the following is a non-reducing sugar? Correct answer is C. Sucrose. Sucrose lacks a free anomeric carbon, so it does not reduce Fehling solution. Next question. the genetic material in prokaryotes is found in? Correct answer is C. Nucleoid. In prokaryotes, DNA is not enclosed in a membrane and is found in the nucleoid region.